I am Krishnan. I am from Pune. Since the consultation from this clinic till the discharge and till after the second follow-ups also, all the staffs and doctors are very courteous, and I have a very good experience here. Even though I stayed only one day, and my staying in this clinic is very pleasant, and everybody is very cooperative, and I am very much satisfied with the with all the facilities whatever I have availed from this clinic, and I am very much thankful to everybody. Okay, I was having some hernia problem for the last 5 or 6 years, and it was painful for the last few days. Then I consulted in the clinic, and it is operated, and now I am quite satisfied, and I am very much happy, and okay now.